beautiful morning is this? Good morning. I've come out this morning to Ouse Fen, which is just up the road from me. Quite quiet here, tons of people. I think it's me and one other photographer about. So we're going to have a wander around. This is the Fen. I've already seen some stone chats, and there's a Chinese water deer just down there by the water. He's just gone behind the reeds now, but I think I managed a shot, but we'll see if he comes out again. So I'll catch you later. About halfway round. There's a bit more water here than there was the last time I came. Haven't seen a bittern yet, which is surprising because I've seen one every time I've been here. Reed buntings, chitty warblers, stone chats, some mallards, swans. Okay, it's gone quite quiet here at Ouse Fen. It's about 9 o'clock now, I think. Wind's getting up again, but I'm making my way slowly back to the car. It's been a lovely morning. Just glorious, isn't it? Just want to say thank you very much for watching, and if you can subscribe if you haven't, that'd be great. Drop me a comment, a like, share, you know the score, it all helps the channel, so that'd be great. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again soon.